Theo, a rural gardener, trades porch chair breaks for boot camp mornings, learning that small, steady steps yield real change. He battled back flare-ups from gardening injuries, tracked food with a simple log, and chose protein and fiber over fleeting cravings. With a local coach, he built a plan around compound moves and outdoor hikes, celebrating every rep as a seed that would grow. The months brought evenings spent cooking meals ahead and promoting rest, proving consistency beats quick fixes. Now Theo mentors others, sharing how to start where you are, stay honest about limits, and let patience harvest results.